Hi, this is Ross from T.W White Sons, and today I'm here to show you our 2014 14-plate Toyota Auris. This vehicle is a 1.8 hybrid. Exterior colour, as you can see, is the red, and in the interior it's got black cloth and leather upholstery. And I'll just bring you around the vehicle just to show you the vehicle condition. So this is a vehicle that's just come into part exchange with us. We are a Mazda dealer, but this was a little bit too nice to let one of our traders have, so we are retailing it here. Included in the purchase price of the vehicle, you will receive 1 year RAC Platinum warranty and 1 year RAC breakdown cover. You can see at the rear of the vehicle here you have got the rear parking sensors, and the vehicle has also got a reversing camera. In terms of the boot size, you can see here it's got a really good sized boot, really deep. Previous owner, as you can see, has got the boot liner here. You can see under here there is also this false floor. There, when we also found it one-handed, there we are. So you've got extra storage underneath there as well. So obviously you can take that out completely if you wanted more depth, or you can tuck bits underneath to keep it hidden, or obviously sort of separate your boot into two separate compartments. You've also got the 60/40 split on the rear seats there as well if you do need a little bit more space. You can see in terms of the vehicle condition, it's all in excellent condition. All four alloys are all brilliant, and as is the bodywork. There's no dents or scratches to the vehicle. Previous owner really did look after the vehicle. And there is the last alloy, and at the front of the vehicle you can see here you've got the front parking sensors as well. So there is the exterior of the vehicle. I'll now show you the interior. So as I mentioned earlier on, this vehicle is part leather. So you can see here it's got the leather sort of around the outer edges here, and then in the middle seat there, and on the headrests, and then the sort of cloth finish in between as well. But really good condition, both the cloth and the leather throughout. You can see here, it doesn't really look like anyone's probably sat in the back here. It all looks unmarked and lovely. As we now go to the front of the vehicle, and much like on the rear of the vehicle, it is all in excellent condition, as you can see. In terms of the driver's door, so just here is where you've got your electric windows, so all four windows are auto there, and then you've got the door locking there. And then just on the inside here, you've got your parking sensors. You've got the auto park in the middle, your light adjustment, and then you've got the wing mirror adjustment. So they are power folding from this button here, and then you've got your adjustment just above it there. And I'll now just step into the vehicle, and we will start the vehicle up. So the key just has to be inside the vehicle. Bear with me. There we are. So you can just have it sort of stored away in the middle there, and then you've got your power button just down here. In terms of the steering wheel, so you've got your Bluetooth controls up here, you've got your cruise control just on this stalk down here, and then you've got your sort of volume controls on the left hand side. On the right stalk here, you've got the vehicle's automatic wipers, and on the left stalk here you've got the automatic lights. As I mentioned earlier on, the vehicle is hybrid, so you can see there you've got the EV, so you've got the EV mode, eco mode, and the power mode. And then in terms of the vehicle's current mileage, it is currently carried out 30,413 miles, so lovely low mileage. You can see as well there, very fuel efficient, which is what you want. Now as we move into the middle of the vehicle, you can see here you've got this nice leather armrest, obviously good for those long journeys, and then also with some extra storage. You've also got storage in the driver's doors, so a cup holder and extra storage. More cup holders in the middle here, and then of course your glove box, which is a nice big deep one actually, and you can see that it's really spacious. Both front seats are heated seats, which you can see here, and it's a two-stage heating, so you've got your high and low settings for it as well. The vehicle is automatic. You've got your charging point here as well, and then as I mentioned or went through earlier on, you've got the different modes there, and again just your USB and auxiliary just in there. Let's move a little bit further up. This is where you've got the vehicle's climate control, the air conditioning, and it's a dual climate control, so you can have one side hot and one side cold if you wanted to do so. And then if we move a little bit further up, you've got the vehicle's infotainment system. So I'm just trying to get the glare off of it there. So you can see currently the vehicle has got the sat nav. It's a built-in sat nav, which is always nice. If we move on to here, you've got your sort of settings for your vehicle. Bluetooth. So as I mentioned earlier on, you've got the controls for that on the steering wheel, so you can play your audio through that or make and receive phone calls. We've got sort of all the vehicle settings in here, so you can connect the vehicle and get the vehicle set up how you like. And then we've got the vehicle's media. So you've got AM, FM, DAB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, AHA, CD, you've got your USB connection as well. So plenty of options for your audio through there. So there is everything inside the vehicle. You can see it's a really, really nice finish throughout, and it's in immaculate condition inside. I'm trying to get that glare off. It's a really nice sunny day today actually, but yeah, really, really nice finish on this vehicle. So that is everything inside the vehicle. I'll just finish up outside just one last time. So there we have it. There is our Toyota Auris Hybrid. If you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you'd like to make an appointment to come and view and test drive the vehicle, then please do give us a call, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.